Hi guys, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I am bringing you an innovative grilled aubergine dish. It is a fusion dish incorporating both the techniques and flavors from India with those around the world. I am going to grill the aubergine and top it with fried rice and serve it with lentil soup, making it a complete meal. Hope you like my recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be trying to bring you innovative recipes on a regular basis. Thank you. The making of the dish involves 3 different components. One is making the lentil soup, second is making the fried rice, and third is grilling the aubergine and topping it. Though you will be doing all the processes simultaneously, for ease of demonstration, I'll divide it into 3 portions. First, I'll make the lentil soup. Second, I'm going to make the fried rice. And third, I'm going to grill the aubergine and make its toppings. So let's begin first with the lentil soup. Wash and soak the lentil and the split chickpeas in a pressure cooker for 1 hour. Chop some drumsticks into it. Close the pressure cooker and cook on medium flame for 1 whistle, then simmer for further 10 minutes. Allow to cool before opening. On opening, the lentils should have been cooked along with the drumsticks. Longitudinally slice the onions, chop the aubergine, finely chop the ginger and green chili, wash and keep the curry leaves ready. Heat oil in a pan and add mustard seeds. When they splutter, add the cumin, fenugreek seeds along with asafoetida. Mix well and then add the green chili and curry leaves. Saute for a minute and then add the onions. Mix well and add salt. Saute till the onions start turning translucent and then add the ginger, followed by the aubergines. Saute for a couple of minutes. Add it to the boiled lentil and drumstick mixture. Add turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder and sambar masala powder. Mix it well and cook covered for 5 minutes or till the aubergine gets cooked. Then add the tamarind juice followed by the coriander leaves. Mix it well and transfer to a serving bowl and serve. Now that we have completed making the lentil soup, let's now make the fried rice. You can use water if you do not have whey. Wash and soak rice in a microwave safe bowl for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can see the rice is well soaked. Place it in the microwave and cook on full power for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, the rice is partially cooked. Reduce the power to 60% and cook in the microwave again for 3 minutes. After that, the rice is nearly cooked, but there is some free wave. So place it back in the microwave and cook on full power for further 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the rice is well cooked, and as you can see, the grains are so well separated. Wash and separate the curry leaves. Finely chop the green chilies, ginger, onion, spring onions and capsicum. Heat oil in a pan and add the green chilies, ginger and curry leaves followed by the onions. Mix well and saute. Add some salt and saute till the onions turn translucent. Add turmeric powder and saute for about 30 seconds. Add the spring onions and mix and saute for about a minute. Add the chopped capsicum and saute for another 1 minute. Add the rice and mix it well and turn off the flame. I know it's been a lengthy process, but now we've reached the final step. Having completed making the lentil soup and the fried rice, now we need to grill the aubergine and put the right toppings. Let's begin. Chop garlic very finely as shown. Heat oil in a pan and add the garlic to it. Saute for a minute. You do not want it to change color. Turn off the flame and add the chili flakes. Saute for 30 seconds and keep aside. Wash and chop off the top edge of the aubergine. Cut it into longitudinal stripes as shown. For this grilled aubergine, use the middle part of the stripes. The edges can be used to make the lentil soup, which we have already seen how to do. Place the aubergine on a plate. Add salt to the garlic and chili flake mixture we have prepared. Spread this over the aubergine as shown. Place it over the grill rack of the microwave and put it in the microwave. Cook on grill for 2 to 3 minute increments. I've used a total of 8 minutes on the grill function and then further 2 minutes on the microwave function. And the aubergine got cooked. As you can see, the aubergine is well grilled and cooked. Place it on the serving tray and add some tomato ketchup to it. Spread it evenly all around. Top it with the fried rice that you have prepared. And finally, add the green chutney with the garlic. Serve it with lentil soup and enjoy the meal.